Hello, everybody. It's Bridget here, and I am doing a quick video with two amazing ladies who I'm going to be hosting Hidden Secret this weekend in Canmore. Manifestation. It's going to be powerful. It's actually collective manifestation. Want to know what that means? You'll just have to come on Saturday. Eileen Head, what are you going to be talking about?
I'm going to teach you the processes of manifestation so that you can use the law of attraction. And we do that by raising your vibrational energy.
Amazing. If that's all Chinese to you guys, you've never heard all this terminology, then you just have to come on Saturday because it is one of the most powerful secret ever. Marilyn, what are you going to be doing for us this Saturday?
I'm going to be working with you guys and bringing in any intuitive messages from Spirit to help you along the journey.
Woo! Can you talk to your people to bring me $1 million by Sunday?
I'll have my people talk to your people. How's that? Yeah.
Great. That'll
Yeah.
work. All right, you guys, no matter what it is you want more of in your life, you must come with us on Saturday because I'm telling you, it could change your life. The link is below in the comment.
Join us, bring your friends, bring a carload. We're going to have lots of fun.
See you then.
Bye.